Your contacts are scattered. A spreadsheet here, an old CRM export there. And every hour they sit outside Vyroq is an hour you can't message them. With contact import, that ends now. Open the contacts page, click the import tab, and hit pick a CSV file. Any export works. Vyroq reads the header row automatically. Now the real magic. Map CSV columns to lead fields. Vyroq auto-matches obvious ones like email and phone, but you control every mapping. First name, last name, company title, even LinkedIn or Instagram handles. Line each CSV column up with the right lead field. Before you commit, scroll down to preview. You'll see your first 10 rows exactly as Vyroq will import them. Catch a mismatched column before it becomes a mess in your CRM. Happy with the mapping? Click Start Import. Watch the progress bar climb live. Created, updated, skipped, failed, right down to the row. Once it finishes, your new contacts are already live in Vyroq, tagged and ready to message. No CSV gymnastics, no manual retyping, no wasted afternoon. That's your list, imported and mapped in minutes. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.